Hi, this is Steve Reedy from Reedy Sharp Shop in Humboldt, Iowa. A little while ago on Facebook, I introduced a new angle guide called the Ramp for the Buck Tool 1x30 and also the Harbor Freight 1x30 belt sanders. So I have decided to do a YouTube video also so that I could reach a larger audience and do a little more thorough job of explaining it. So with that, we'll get into it. The Ramp, when installed, offers you a wide range of adjustability from 15 to 45 degrees. The Ramp is designed to be mounted using the threaded hole on the buck tool that was originally for mounting the table. It's an 8mm hole, and you can pick up a bolt at any hardware store. Set your angle with a block, snug that up, and away you go. Now this is 12 gauge stainless steel, so it's very durable, doesn't flex. I've also added a strip of Teflon tape on there so that you won't scratch your knife when you're sharpening it. But you can adjust that back and forth, set your angle wherever you want, and away you go. One of the really nice features about this is that there's nothing over here to bump into, unlike the old style buckle guide. Very clean design. Everybody that's got one likes it really well so far, and I've sold quite a few of them. I really think that this is the best edge leading guide you can possibly put on a buck tool 1x30 sander. You want to get a little fancier, one of my customers pointed out this nice 8mm clamp that you can pick up on Amazon and use that to tighten down and adjust it. It's nice because you can reposition, you can pull it out and reposition the handle where you want to keep it out of the way. So I really like that, and I would encourage you to get one when you pick up your Ramp from me. Now, like so many other people, I started out with a Harbor Freight 1x30. Well, to mount the Ramp guide on 1x30, you use the existing bolt mount, and a classic 5/16 coarse threaded bolt works just great for that. Put on a washer and a nut, set your angle, tighten it up with a 1/2-inch wrench, ready to go. Just like on the buck tool. One of my Ramp customers wanted to know if I could design an edge trailing guide to fit on the same 1x30 machine. So after giving it some thought, we came up with the rail. And the rail mounts on the top bearing because it has a threaded 8mm hole and works very well. Again, set your angle, and now you have an edge trailing guide on the same machine as your edge leading guide, so you can do both at the same time. It reaches the platen and works very well. Now the rail can be adjusted all the way down to a 0 angle, and again all the way out to 45. And I just use the adjusting screw that came with this particular unit. if you're going to use the rail without the cover on, like this one, then you want to put a couple of washers between here and the rail to get it centered properly on the belt for you. Unfortunately, on the buck tool, the top bearing does not have the threaded hole in it, so the rail will not fit on the buck tool 1x30. Only the Harbor Freights with the threaded hole in the top bearing, but not on the buck tool. The ramp runs about 15 bucks. The rail, $20. Shipping in the United States has been averaging about $10 per box full. These are made just up the road from me, right here in the United States, so they're not foreign made. You're getting U.S. quality products. You can order them from me directly. I take both Venmo and PayPal, and I'll leave that information down below. So the quality is very good. The overhead is very low. That's why I can offer them at such a low price. Thank you for watching. I sure appreciate it. Throw a like on it, and we'll see you down the road. I hope you found this video to be informative and useful, and you'll consider adding these angle guides, the ramp and the rail, to your arsenal of tools for better sharpening. Thank you. This is Steve at Reedy Sharp Shop in Humboldt, Iowa, signing off.